So, this was only by giving Brahma Vidya. But Jiva Goswami has expressed from the Puranas what is the position of Brahma, or one who knows the Brahma, in other words, a Brahmana. A Brahmin means someone who knows Brahman, the impersonal aspect of Godhead. That Brahmin who can do sacrifices is 1,000 times better than a Brahmin who is just a Brahmin who doesn't know how to do sacrifices. And that Brahmin who knows who knows the Vedanta, who knows the conclusion of Shastra, he is again 1,000 times more advanced than the Brahmin who just knows how to do sacrifices, and 1,000,000 times more advanced than the Vedantic Brahman is a devotee of Vishnu. And compared to the devotee of Vishnu, that person who is a pure devotee without any material desire, who is purely wanting to serve Krishna, he is 1,000 times more advanced. So what is the position of a devotee? If somebody asks what is the difference between a Brahmin and a Vaishnava, then what will you answer? Vaishnava is like someone who has got $1 million. So is it not that $1,000 is included within $1 million? In that same way, Brahmin is included in Vaishnava. Vaishnava is the greater reality. So therefore, anyone who practices devotional service purely under instruction of spiritual master, when he's expert in chanting Hare Krishna and following regular principles, he is eligible to get Brahmin initiation, because it is already accepted that a Vaishnava has surpassed the level of Brahmin. One has to be fixed up in the devotional principles. Otherwise, simply if one thinks he's a Vaishnava, but if his achar, his behavior is not equivalent to Vaishnavas, then he is not at the proper level to be considered a Vaishnava. He can be considered a saintly person or a materialistic Vaishnava. So everybody should try to be a pure Vaishnava and avoid all type of durachar, bad activities.